I want to talk today about veganism and how to become vegan. Reason why I want to talk is one of my friend sent me a message in the morning and asked so many questions, and it was very simple questions, nothing super like hard to answer. And then, I start to think like I was the same position like she is right now, and I didn't have anyone to help me. And I was learning myself from food which I like to buy, milk what I like to pick up, for my coffee, because all milk are different. And so what what restaurants I can go, I learn a lot by myself, and it is time. So my friend, she asked me to do video for people who wants to become vegan and help them. So why I'm here? I'm going to talk about processed food what we can buy in supermarket in US. So I went to the Wegmans and I did many pictures which I'm going to add to this video and show and talk about product which I like, which I never try, or just show a product for people and they don't need to look like for a long time for that. I'm going to show my favorite milk uh, because one of my problem was I like coffee. I used to like coffee with half and half. So it was very hard for me to find a right milk for coffee and for cereal. Now I found great milk that I can even drink and I like it. So like little things like that, I mean, it keeps time and it's not easy, and you spend money and time to buy, to try. So I wish I had someone who would help me with it. But I'm here right now to help. I would recommend your app, Happy How. You create your profile and you can use your app everywhere you want, any country, any city, and it show you all vegan and vegetarian and options restaurants. Obviously, there are so many vegetables and fruits for vegan to eat, so you can cook anything you want. So now we are in Wegmans and I show vegan ale. So this is cheese, which is almost everything is good, but mostly I like smoked provolone sliced cheese, and this is what my favorite. Impossible burger meat has 24 grams of protein, so it's all processed food and cheese and sausages and tofu you can see, and again like hot dogs, different. This is my favorite also, sliced cheese and Italian sausage. Seitan I like to do myself, and you can see video. Or my favorite yogurt. So if you can see cashew yogurt, it's very great one. All plant-based milk and quite big variety of milk you can have. It's all in Wegmans, and I'm sure every store can have. My favorite vegan mayonnaise and ice cream. I hope you enjoy pictures from Wegmans. So I know it's not easy to become vegan. So, but look, there is so many food to eat, a lot of good cheese. Oh my God, it's really great. So if you feel you miss meat, you're craving about meat, Impossible Burger, Beyond Burger is very strong taste of meat, Believe me, guys, I even don't buy impossible meat anymore because for me it tastes like really meat, and I don't like to eat meat anymore. So, but see, you basically vegan not suffering. They enjoy life because we have so much variety of food, and it is there. You just go and buy. And I know from when I became vegan, I didn't cook so much. You know, I love cook, and I'm great with that. But I didn't cook so much because, you know, I was looking easy things to do first because you're learning. So easy things to do, just go to supermarket and buy, and then you learn, and you get used to cook without meat. In my case, I was lacto vegetarian for 8 years, and I became vegan. So it wasn't so difficult for me to cook, but it was difficult for me to find restaurants where I can eat. So then my son recommended me to download Happy Cow app, which I'm so happy. I use all the time. So I guess I paid money for this app, but you don't need to download app. You can use just Google it and use online, and you don't need, in this case, you don't need to download. But I'm using very often this app, and it was like $5 or $6 one-time payment. It's great app. You know, guys, you travel or you in your hometown, you just search vegan or vegetarian or options restaurants. It show you all locations, show you address, show you menu, show you pictures, show you reviews. So it's very cool. So also I want to talk about sour cream. My friend asked me that how she can replace sour cream. It's kind of difficult and not super easy because I don't think we have like great like replacement of sour cream. But cashew yogurt, plant-based cashew yogurt, it's so tasty and it's not sweet. And I'm using this product like replaced when I would use sour cream, like with pierogies. I like to dip my pierogies with this yogurt. Also, you can do sour cream from cashew, and I probably will do some recipe for that later. Talking about sweets, yeah, it's girls like sweets, and she asked question, oh, what now I have to eat? How I can make crepes or pancakes without eggs, or waffles, or some cookies? Very easy. I would tell you, I do crepes, the best crepes, vegan crepes. Oh my god, it's tasty. And I forgot to, by the way, to show you guys, we have also vegan butter in store, so you can use vegan butter too. But talking about eggs, coming back, so you can replace with banana, or you can replace eggs with chia seeds or flax seeds. I mean, there are so many things you can replace egg with. Yes, also, basically you can almost bake everything. I bake everything. Cakes, muffins, cookies. I even do gluten-free, which is not easy actually. So don't afraid to try. I mean, everything possible to replace, and just be happy vegan. I hope I was helpful. I really do. If you have any question, leave comments under my video. I would really happy to answer you any your question and help you. Thank you so much for watching me, and have a good day. Bye bye.